Yes, people, how we doing? How we doing? Tell me how we're doing. That's why I asked the question. You should answer it. It's rude not to answer a question when someone asks it to you. Right, so today, thought I'd do a little full day of eating for you to show you what I'm eating at the moment. So we're coming to the end of this quarantine. Gyms opening up in just over a week. Restaurants and all the rest are already open. Of course, gyms are last. So a little background to the full day of eating, I guess. So over the course of having to stay at home all the time, I've been doing a little bit of a cut. So that's about 2-ish months. But I stopped that a bit early because I was losing too much strength, too much muscle. Wasn't very happy with it. That's what happens when you only have resistance bands for the majority. Whoa, now the camera is not being nice. So I was going to end it like literally when gyms opened, I would end it, but I was simply getting too small for my liking, so I ended it a bit early. So right now I'm just sort of eating at my maintenance. I woke up this morning very light, like lighter than I've been at any point on my cut. So I feel like my maintenance calories I've got a bit wrong, so I'm going to try and rectify that today. So yeah, everything's opening up, so I'm going to go get a trim, so I'll probably catch you when I'm doing something. If by magic.
If by magic, he's got a trim.
Got a trim.
He's got a trim.
Got a trim. It's my sister, say hi.
Hello.
She's got a channel.
Yeah, it's
She does not need my promotion.
I don't need it.
Right. Peace. Right, so right here, got 100 grams of oats, chocolate caramel protein from My Protein, definitely my best flavour at the moment, and some blueberries. I'm massively behind on my food at the moment, so I'm going to get big portions. What's the time now? About 1:30. Gonna eat this, let this go down. Probably gonna train. Don't know if it's legs. Might try something new. Who knows? Let's see. Yep, that's cool train. Just ruined my shot, mate. It's alright. Mix this. BCAAs, creatine. Gonna drink it into your workout. Right, so I've recently come into acquisition of, you can't see that, a barbell and some weights. I'm gonna try a full body split. So if today's session looks a bit mishmash, that's the reason why. Basically want to get back lots of strength that I've lost during this lockdown. So yeah, I'm going to try that. Let you know how it goes. This is session 1. Let's go. Just like that, training's done. Felt pretty good. Felt surprisingly good. I think I went a bit too compound heavy, especially at the start, which made me lack a bit towards the end of my workout, but it's my first ever full body session ever. Yeah, it felt pretty good. So right here, got post-workout, same thing every day. 100 grams of Rice Krispies, scoop of protein and some almond milk. It tastes amazing, perfect perfect mix of protein and quick impacting carbs. So yeah, probably gonna eat this, go have a shower, then I'll see you when we can make some actual food. So there's the fourth meal of the day. Aesthetically not the best, but tastes unreal. I do this with turkey quite a lot as well. Perfect mix of protein, fats and carbs. I'll put the calories and macros on the screen there. And yeah, taste test. Fire. Whoa, vlogception, blew your mind. Right, so finishing the day off with a bagel with some peanut butter on it. I'm just going to finish editing this up and then go to bed. I'm actually shattered today, I don't know why. I'll put the total calories and macros up there for you guys. I may even be a bit under calories with my maintenance because this, hold up, this Fitbit here, it says that I've burnt 3.7k, which is a bit mad considering all I've done is worked out and gone and got a trim. But anyway, I hope you enjoy the video. Like and subscribe if you're a sound geezer. If you're not a sound geezer, that's alright. I accept that you're still here. Yeah, I guess I'll just see you in the next video. Peace, guys.